So hello and welcome to another video, and tonight we're here at Niagara Falls and we're going to show you how beautiful the falls are. So it's quite a mild night tonight, saying it's coming into late autumn here, and I'm actually walking. I've got my big coat on, but I haven't got my coat fastened. I'm quite warm, but they have forecast tomorrow for it to be a lot colder. So let's go and have a look, and that's looking across to Canada. So that's looking straight across the falls and straight out of the United States and into Canada there. So what a spectacular view that is. Absolutely amazing. And we can see there the amazing falls. Look at that. Just check that out with the colour that they've got there. It just looks out of this world. I can't tell you really how smart that looks. So I'll let you just relax for a second or two and have a look at that. So this state park here in Niagara Falls, it's quite big, and it really does look spectacular. Gives you an absolutely beautiful view of Niagara Falls, and in the distance Canada. So I haven't been across there, but it really is nice across there. Daryl's been across a few years ago and he did say it is beautiful, but I think he does prefer this side, the United States. But Horseshoe Falls there, they're just absolutely magnificent. And tomorrow, and on the channel, there is videos of the Horseshoe Falls in the light, and we've also got them with some spectacular rainbows forming in the mist that the falls do create. So I'm so glad we've come to Niagara Falls and we've been able to show you this. Look at the colours there, how they've got blues, pinks, greens. Absolutely amazing how they light them up there. And then, as I say, all the Canadian buildings there all lit up as well. They look amazing as well. It's well worth looking at and coming and having a look here. And the tower, look at the tower there in the middle of the picture. That looks absolutely amazing. I bet it's an absolutely beautiful view up there at the top of the tower, looking at the Horseshoe Falls here, especially at night with all the colours and everything that they show on there. It must be absolutely remarkable. So again, we'll have another look there at the falls, and you can see all the different colours. They've lit them up. A little bit darker there now because we're in a slightly darker area, but again the falls look absolutely magnificent. And just look at that there as I'm looking over the edge. Look at the water going over there and banging down on the rocks. I bet if you were down there and the water was hitting you, the power of the water would be hitting you, it'd just be absolutely out of this world. But what a beautiful picture that is. Looking at that, look at the spray. The spray is just absolutely colossal. So you can see, if you were on the Maid of the Mist there, how much spray would be coming over there and hitting you and soaking you. That's why they have to have all them like waterproof jackets on when they're on the boat. And again, look at the speed of the water there coming over there. That just shows you how much water and the force of the water is coming through. Makes you wonder where it all comes from, and think about that in 24 hours, how much water's come down in 24 hours. It's a wonder there's anything left of the river. It's amazing. And it's just turned blue, so look how spectacular that looks. And it's just turned like a reddy colour there now, as the water drops down and hits the rocks there. Beautiful how they changed the colour of it. And look at that, all orange. Wow. And then it's changing again now. And again, look at the spray. You can see all the spray there as it comes down and hits the bottom. I really like it when it goes blue, and I think I like the green as well. That's a good picture as well, where I've got there where you can just see it coming to the edge and then all tippling over the top. Bit darker there, so you can see the water's all dark, and then as it goes over, they've lit it up blue, and they keep changing that colour, so the water's white, but down below, look, it's blue. And I think that makes a really good contrast and makes it look really, really good as well, how they've got all the different colours there. And Canada just looks amazing on the horizon there. That's just absolutely spectacular how you can see that. I haven't got time on this trip to go across there, but I think if I was here longer, that's something I would do. I'd probably walk over the Rainbow Bridge and into Canada. But when this was actually being filmed, that's something you couldn't do, because it was just as the US borders opened up and the Canadian border was still closed, so you couldn't go over there. Look at the colour now there, how it's red. That looks absolutely amazing again. Just sit back and just relax a minute or two now and just listen to the music and watch this water. So that was just amazing, just standing there and watching all that water go over the falls, and just the colour of it when it was all red, I think just added to the moment really there. It was out of this world. It's amazing how the light all the falls up like that. The floodlights must be so powerful to do that and shine across. Really, really good idea, whoever thought about that, and it does look really, really beautiful when they do it. So it's all lit up red at the moment, and they've just changed the colour as we look over towards the Horseshoe Falls again. But they keep changing colour as well. It's amazing. I think I like the red best. What's your favourite colour? Let me know in the comments. Look at the water there, how the water's all bubbling up. I bet you, if you're in that, the currents there would be absolutely tremendous just before it drops over the edge. Look at all this fenceway here they've got. It's beautiful where you can just go and stand and chill out and watch the falls. And all the water going over the Horseshoe Falls. You can see there why they call it the Horseshoe Falls, how it goes round. And that's an absolutely spectacular view as well. So you can see there's gallons and gallons and gallons of water just flowing over there as we speak. And look at all the spray that's coming off. So the water's hitting the base, and then all the spray is coming off the water as it crashes down. So the Horseshoe Falls, when you look how big it is, there's thousands and thousands of gallons of water going over there every single second. I just don't know where all the water that's going over there comes from. Look at the colour of it now. When it went red there, it was just absolutely spectacular. I think red, when it goes red, that's got, I mean, look at that, that's my favourite. I think if they kept it red, that would look just absolutely stunning, really. And again, that just shows you how hard the water's hitting when you look at all the mist and spray that's coming up from the bottom. So just zoomed in for you there so you could get a closer look at the water going over there. Look at the rainbow colours they've got right in the centre top half of the picture there on the falls. That looks absolutely amazing how they do that, how they've got all the different colours there. It's amazing what you can do with LED lighting. So we've had a wonderful night out here tonight on the first night here at Niagara Falls, and we have got loads and loads of other videos on the channel worth checking out of Niagara Falls and the daytime and that, so please have a look and like, share and drop me some comments on them. But I think this one tonight has been spectacular, with it being dark. I think it's really made it look really good. I can't believe tonight how warm it's been as well for the time of the year. I'm out here at night at Niagara Falls. I've still got my coat on, but it's that warm I've had to undo it. But the weather forecast for tomorrow is a lot colder. So I would imagine tomorrow it's probably going to be freezing here. We'll have to see. So we'll just have a few more final looks at the falls here before we call it a night. and head back to the hotel. It has been a long day because we've taken the bus from New York. I think it took about 9 hours on the bus. So we certainly have covered some miles today. But the falls there are really worth coming and having a look at. They're amazing. Look at the colours. Again, there, all the different colours, how they light it up. The LED lights must be so powerful that are shining across to do that. So we are coming now near the end of this spectacular video we've done for you. So what I am going to say, if you've enjoyed it, please like, please share, and of course please subscribe to the channel. That really does help us. And my final words today are, the vlog is over.